They were amazing. The building process was great. Anybody that is looking to build, I would recommend Homes by Tabor. My name is Abby, and I live in Ironstone community. There was really no hiccups. Whenever they said they were going to meet a deadline, they always met it. We never really had to worry about closing date being pushed back or things not being done correctly. Everything was done right. I love the open floor plan. I love how you can walk in and just kind of see everything as a whole. But I really love our fireplace. I love how if you're in the kitchen cooking, you can also see everybody in the living room or in the dining room. I really have never been an alarm system person, but it's been super convenient to know you're home safe whenever you're home, and if somebody did break in, you would be notified. I really like Ironstone community because I love the location. I love that it's right off of Portland, but it's also so close to May. But I also just like that it is newer. It's a pretty young community so far, and I just like that there's just room for growth, and to start a family, you'll have younger people around you.